Welcome to Designer Ling channel. I'm Lin, a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. A desert tapestry, the beauty of a cactus garden design. Imagine a vibrant tapestry woven with the subtle yet striking beauty of cacti and succulents. A cactus garden design offers a low-maintenance and visually captivating outdoor space, perfectly suited for hot, arid climates. Here's how to create this unique and thriving desert landscape, a celebration of arid beauty, a palette of earth tones. The foundation lies in the selection of cacti and succulents. Choose a variety of shapes, sizes, and textures, with colors that complement the natural desert tones of brown, beige, and green. Opt for cacti with vibrant flower colors for pops of color throughout the blooming season. The power of gravel. Gravel is the ideal mulch for a cactus garden. It suppresses weeds, retains moisture in the soil, and creates a clean, low-maintenance aesthetic that mimics the natural desert landscape. Pathways and stepping stones. Optional: create designated walking areas using flagstone, decomposed granite, or pavers. Stepping stones can be used to navigate around larger cacti or access specific areas of the garden. Harmony with the natural world. Xeriscaping is key. Xeriscaping is the practice of landscaping with plants that require minimal water. This is crucial for a desert garden. Choose cacti and succulents specifically known for their drought tolerance. A touch of green, optional. While cacti are the stars, other drought-tolerant plants can add a touch of softness and greenery. Consider ornamental grasses like feather grass or blue fescue, yuccas with their sword-like foliage, or flowering perennials like purple verbena or lantana. Natural stone accents. Incorporate large boulders or natural stone pavers into your design. These elements mimic the rocky desert landscape and add visual interest. Living in the desert, water conservation matters. Choose plants with similar water needs to minimize the need for individual watering. Group plants together based on their water requirements to create efficient watering zones. Embrace the sun. Cacti and succulents thrive in full sun. Ensure your chosen location receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight per day. Sustainable materials. Opt for sustainable materials like decomposed granite or recycled stone for pathways and patios. This minimizes your environmental impact while creating a beautiful desert aesthetic. A cactus garden design is more than just a collection of plants, it's a celebration of the desert's unique beauty. By embracing drought-tolerant plants, natural elements, and water-wise practices, you can create a thriving outdoor space that requires minimal maintenance and offers a captivating visual display throughout the year. Why embrace the thorns? Reasons for a cactus desert garden. The stark beauty of cacti and the low-maintenance appeal of a desert garden create a compelling combination for homeowners in hot, arid climates. Here's why you should consider this unique and rewarding approach to outdoor living. Low-maintenance marvel. Cacti and succulents require minimal watering, making this garden ideal for busy lifestyles or water-conscious individuals. Say goodbye to constant upkeep and hello to more relaxation time. Arid allure. The spiky silhouettes of cacti against a backdrop of colorful gravel create a captivating and unique aesthetic. This desert-inspired garden celebrates the natural beauty of your environment and offers a tranquil escape from the ordinary. Year-round interest. Cacti and succulents come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and vibrant flower colors, providing visual interest throughout the year. The ever-changing desert landscape inspires a sense of serenity and connection with nature. Sustainable sanctuary. With water conservation being a growing concern, a cactus garden promotes a sustainable approach to landscaping. Xeriscaping techniques and drought-tolerant plants minimize water usage without sacrificing beauty. Wildlife haven. Optional: a well-designed cactus garden can provide a habitat for desert wildlife like butterflies, lizards, and even some bird species. This creates a harmonious balance between your outdoor space and the surrounding ecosystem. Unique entertaining space. The low-maintenance nature of the garden allows you to focus on creating a beautiful and welcoming space for entertaining friends and family. Imagine cozy evenings spent under the stars surrounded by the captivating beauty of your desert oasis. Planting the seeds of success. Getting started with your desert paradise. Transforming your backyard into a thriving cactus garden requires planning and a touch of creativity. Here's a roadmap to get you started. 1. Assess your space. Measure your available area and consider sun exposure. Cacti thrive in full sun, so ensure your chosen location receives ample sunlight throughout the day. 2. Embrace xeriscaping. Research drought-tolerant plants suitable for your climate zone. Cacti and succulents are a must, but explore ornamental grasses, yuccas, and flowering perennials for added color and texture. 3. Prepare the soil. Cacti require well-draining soil to prevent root rot. Amend your existing soil with sand, gravel, or perlite to improve drainage. Raised garden beds can be a good option for optimal control. 4. Pathways and patios, optional. Create designated walking areas using decomposed granite, gravel, or pavers. These materials provide a natural look, minimize heat absorption, and allow for easy drainage. 5. Natural accents. Incorporate large boulders or natural stone pavers into your design. These elements mimic the rocky desert landscape and add visual interest. Strategically placed desert rocks can also create pockets for smaller cacti. 6. Water wisely. Water deeply but infrequently, allowing the soil to dry completely between waterings. Utilize drip irrigation systems for efficient water delivery. 7. Embrace the sun. Most cacti and succulents thrive in full sun. However, some desert perennials might benefit from partial afternoon shade. Research the specific needs of each plant you choose. 8. Enjoy the journey. Building your desert oasis is a process. Learn about desert plants, their specific needs, and enjoy the satisfaction of creating a unique and sustainable outdoor space. A cactus desert garden is more than just a garden, it's a celebration of the desert's unique beauty and a commitment to water conservation. By embracing drought-tolerant plants, xeriscaping techniques, and natural elements, you can create a thriving outdoor space that requires minimal maintenance and offers a captivating visual display throughout the year. Ready to create your own desert oasis? Watch these videos now and get started on your dream cactus garden. Don't miss out on these inspiring cactus garden design ideas. Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.